TDEE stands for Total Daily Energy Expenditure, which is the total number of calories your body is burning each day, and by extension, the number of calories that you'd need to eat each day to maintain your current weight. It's also sometimes referred to as your maintenance calorie intake. Knowing your TDEE can be very useful when you're trying to determine how many calories you need to eat when you're cutting, trying to lose fat, or when you're bulking, trying to gain weight and build muscle. The easiest way to think about it is that your TDE is an estimate for the total amount of energy that you're spending each day in all respects. This includes your BMR, which is the amount of energy your body needs to maintain its most basic functions, like breathing, keeping your heart beating, etc. Next up, your TDEE factors in your daily activity levels, which includes any exercise you do, such as weightlifting, cardio, walking, etc. In addition to these two components, your TDEE also includes any energy costs that can be attributed to the thermic effect of food, or TEF, which is just the amount of energy your body requires to digest and process the different foods that you eat. Finally, TDEE also includes something called NEAT, which stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This is the energy that you expend, like fidgeting, pacing, etc., and can vary greatly from person to person. You can see by this chart the percentage of your TDEE is mainly made up by your BMR, then your NEAT, then TEF, and then what you eat. An accurate way to calculate your TDEE is by determining your BMR and then using a multiplier based on how much exercise you do. If you exercise between 1 to 3 hours per week, you'd multiply your BMR by 1.2. If you exercise between 4 to 6 hours per week, you would multiply it by 1.35. If you exercise 6+ hours per week, you would multiply your BMR by 1.5. For example, if you have an estimated BMR of 2,000 calories and exercise roughly 5 hours per week, then you would have an estimated TDEE of 2,700 calories.